What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a multi-monitor. Okay, I don't know the actual name of it, but I call it a multi-monitor because it's multiple monitors. You can use your laptop and you can use these two monitors right here. In some people's situations, they use like a separate standalone monitor when it comes to their laptop. Maybe they have that in a certain personal office space, but with this, at least it is portable. So let's say you at Starbucks or Panera Bread, or you just in some type of office space and you want to use multiple monitors, this is the product that you will need. And let's go ahead and get into this, guys. This seems like a big product. I just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone out there. We're going from New Year's Eve to New Year's, so I am kind of crossing that time right now because I stay up all night, every night. And yeah, so happy holidays to everyone, and let's get this 2024 jumping. All right, nice. So it opens up like that. All right. Ooh, this is some nice thick foam protection. One thing I can say is they packaged this very well. This is nice, you guys. Now, okay, for what you pay for this, it comes nice equipped with accessories. All right, so you have USB Type-C wiring going on. You have USB-C to USB wiring, and you have USB-C to USB-C, Type-C, sorry. And then you have USB to USB Type-C. Other than that, oh, more wires. Wow. All right, they gave you another one. Oh no, a HDMI to a USB Type-C, and then they give you a HDMI to a USB Type-C. So basically, you get two of the same wiring hookups depending on your application of laptop that you're using. And we have some nice instructions. This is not no small fry. When I was looking at this product, I was like, man, this might be some like fuddy-duddy type of thing, but I don't think this is fuddy-duddy, you guys. For one, the price is at a price point to where you can, you know, how much of a monitor costs. And then for two, the way they package this thing is very, very specific. Take it out of there. Ooh, it looks good. It looks really good. All right. So we take that out of there. Got a Velcro strap here. Take this Velcro strap off. Trying to make sure I don't want to break nothing. Okay. Wow, and they have another foam padding. So if you put this thing away, you might want to put it away the same way you took it off. All right, just to keep your monitor like at upkeep, because I know some people, once they get something, they mistreat it sometimes, you know. Oh, okay, these are some nice little monitors. Very nice. Not really little, but it's good enough. Oh yeah, and the foam pad they had right here, it's very thick, you guys. So they are really protecting this product right here. All right. And if you want to know where it's made, you already know it's made in China, you guys. And if you don't like stuff that's made in China, then empty out your house right now. Just kidding. Just kidding, you guys. But yeah, it is made in China. And I am trying to figure this out right here. It looks like you have to lift. And I am not going to break this because this costs too much to break. Oh, okay. So it's just rough to get up. All right. Oh, okay. So it stretches out. All right. Here we go. All right. So y'all see it's like that, right? But look at this. So if you have a wide computer, it definitely stretches. All right. Now, the monitors is covered with this black covering. So I'm not going to take it off until we're ready to get to the real deal, you guys. When we get to the real deal. All right, you guys. So I got this all the way out. And it says open here. Okay, so that's the open like that. All right, so this has to be the bottom. Usually the big part of the threshold is the bottom. We do have two type of instructions right here. One, you have a quick little pamphlet that basically tells you what to do. And this goes onto the top part of your computer. All right, you guys. Putting the laptop right there. They say this fits 13-inch laptops all the way to, I think, 17 or something like that. Post up this, but what we're going to do is spread it out and let it go. I did that wrong. I'm being too gentle, you guys. All right, spread it out. It sits right on top. Now, if you have it closer, it's going to fall more forward. If you have it out, you reduce the weight, okay? And you have a kickstand in the back. Let's go ahead and show y'all that. Kickstand right here. All right, so there goes a kickstand. And then bada boom. And you can, it's like a turning on it. So you see me turn that right there? You could turn it to adjust how high you want your kickstand. All right, so that is nice, you guys. This is nice, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. So we are gonna just use USB Type-Cs because that's what I have available. I have a USB Type-C over here and Type-C over here. All right, that's what happens when you're in the MacBook life, unfortunately. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Ooh, this is nice. You guys, this is thick. All right, you guys, so on this wire, it says, please connect this port to our product. So this gets connected up here. All right, and the best thing to do is connect it to the top one, because it's easier because it's an L shape, and then you connect it right here on the bottom, and you'll know the connection is good because there's a red light that come on right there. S2 right there. I'm holding this button down for maybe 2 seconds or something like that. And then we have 3 screens, you guys. 3 screens. Y'all can see it right there. Amazing. All right, so you can actually make stuff skinnier on this screen. So I scaled it different. On a MacBook, you got to go to system preferences, you got to go to displays, and then you got to go to the monitor. And I scaled it to be smaller. The scale that it are you sure you want to switch scales? Okay. Now the scale that it was on, the standard scale made it big. So if you see how big the folder is big right now. I'm gonna scale it, and you see that when I scaled it, it went to a different size. All right, everyone, and this thing is basically easy when you wanted to put it back to, take it to travel. You gotta put this lip back down like that, and then open it, fold. Now it's flat, and then you fold again, and that's it. All right, you guys, so now everything is in our case. You can put your wires in this pouch. The only thing is you will need basically another laptop bag to bring your laptop. That's it with putting it back as far as being portable. All right, you guys, so we are going to get into the final review of this monitor set. And I want to say that the monitor set is pretty awesome, you guys. You're not going to get the same, quality as you're going to get from the MacBook screen, so you could go ahead and dead that right now. But other than that, the quality is good enough on this screen. Now, one thing I want to go over is your screen placement. So when you first get this screen, it might be out of whack as far as your screen placement goes. So if you go left on here, it comes to the right side over here. All right. And if you go right here, it comes to the left side. So for you to fix that, you have to go onto your display. So let me go left. All right. So you have to go to your display settings. All right. You go to settings, and then you go to display. And then this is your main screen. So you have your other monitors. This is S2L and then S2R. All right. What that is left and right is backwards. So what you want to do is flip it. So you want to bring this over here, in which the mouse might leave. Hopefully it don't leave. And then you bring this over here to your right. Okay. Now my mouse left. Give me 1 second. Where's my mouse? Okay, there you go. All right. Now, you can place it in the middle if you want to go put your mouse cursor in the middle. So what this means is you're setting up your position to where your mouse can go over to the left or right. So for instance, now I could go over left. So now that I set it right, when you go over right, it goes to the left, and when you go left, it goes to the left. Now you see how the position is in the middle. Now if I go further down, it don't go to the right. It's still on the same screen. If I go up some, then it comes to the right. If I set this to the bottom, like this. I keep hitting the middle. Stop that. Hold it. All right. Now if I go down, it will let me go down and come over. You see that? All right. I just wanted to show people that, just in case y'all don't know. If you're new to MacBook, then you can set your monitor how you want to set your monitors. Okay. I don't know about PC, you guys. I don't get into PC. I'm a MacBook person. So you can probably look up another channel. Maybe somebody with a laptop can tell you how to do it from a PC point of view. Okay, now let's get into the monitor. Now with the monitor, you have your little wheel knob here. You can press it down once. Once you press it down once, the settings come up right there. All right. Now what you have to do is like play with the wheel so it goes away if you don't do it in time. So you got to press the monitor down, press the button down, and then you can press left or right. And I don't know if y'all can y'all see that? Hold up. Get focused. Okay. So you can go left or right, and then you can go into your different settings right there. So you got the brightness and signal source right there. All right. Anyways, so I'm going to press the button down. I'm going to press down again. And when I press down again, it goes to the brightness. All right. So if I press like back, like going this way, not down, but if I got to press the wheel going to the left. If I press left, it goes down like that individually. Okay. Now, in order for me to change the brightness, I got to press down. Okay. I'm going to press down. Boom. And then I press left or right again on the wheel. So I'm going to go right to increase brightness. And then I could go left to dim the screen. Okay. Simple as that, you guys. And then I press down again to get out of there. I press down again. Oh, sorry. I press down to get out of there. And then I could press up and down to go wherever I want. And for you to go like back, you just have to leave it alone and then press down again, because every time you press down, it just selects that column. Okay. So now that it's gone away, I'm going to press down again, and then I'm going left and right, and then you could select this column out here. All right. So you can change your language and all this stuff. I'm going to be honest, when it comes to, oh, you got HDR mode on this thing. So when it comes to all this, I don't really get too deep into that. For the most part, I just change the brightness when it comes to like, when it comes to the monitor. But other than that, I don't really dib and dab into every single settings. But that's it, you guys. That's it with this monitor set. I just want to say that this is pretty cool. As you know, my son was like, ooh, can I try? Can I try? So you know what that means. He probably want to use it and keep it. So with that being said, he'll probably be doing like gaming here or gaming here, homework here, and something else over here. So, you know, he's teenager now, so he want to do, you know, teenager stuff. But anyways, there's nothing wrong with having 3 monitors. You will look like a king in Starbucks, you guys. If you have this in Starbucks, Panera Bread, or what is that, bagels and grind, then you will look like a king. People will ask you, where the heck did you get this from? So this is pretty cool, you guys. Once again, this is from Amazon. Link will be in the description. Nice monitors. And yeah, pretty cool. If I give him this, I might think about getting a different brand just to test out to see if there's a difference in quality. But I mean, as far as this go, for me, it's easy to hook up, easy to set up, nothing wrong with it. I like the design, the kickstand in the back, just to make sure it don't fall, and that's about it. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.